Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to discuss you about an important AI tool, which will be very helpful for you to make better pictures in your research paper. So especially flowcharts and mind maps. So pictures are very important thing in research paper to attract or grasp the attention of reviewers in order to review your paper. So in order to do so, there are many templates are available in this AI tool. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI templates, especially for you to draw a better pictures in your research paper. Moving on to our today's video, here you can see this is the tool what we are going to discuss today, Boardmix. So here you can see this is the dashboard of this Boardmix. So here you can see that you can use it as a whiteboard, mind map, a flowchart, presentation, AA art, AA chat or writing, documents, worksheets. So here you can see that create a new flowchart, AA generation flowchart, import file and convert. So UML sequence diagram. So these are the different options. So here you can use this templates for free. So here you can see basic flowchart, horizontal swimline flowchart, vertical swimline flowchart, data flow diagram. So next use case UML class diagrams. So here also you can see organizational charts. So all this you can use for free, organizational charts, genogram, family tree, site map. So next architectural diagram. So here also this templates also you can use it for free. So these are the different categories available. So first I am going to show you the basic flow chart. So here if you want to create a new flow chart, so you can just click on here and create a new flow chart, or else you can use this templates here. So here you can see this is the template. So just click on use. So automatically the template will be added here. So here in this you can edit it for free. So whatever you want you can edit, or you can insert shapes, you can change the shapes according to your needs, and also you can add whatever you want related with this particular flowchart. So next important option is that AI generated flowchart. So just click on AI generated flowchart. So here you can give any instruction. So automatically the flowchart will be generated for you. So here you can see that. So these are the different recommended cases to draw flowchart: develops process, user login and registration process, customer order management process. For example, if you want to use this customer order management process, so you can use this customer order management process, but the important thing is that so you have to go for subscription option. So AI will automate your flowcharts. So this not that much helpful for us, because the AI generated flowchart will not work out for us to use in our research paper. So here I have used a family tree flowchart. So here you can see that. So this will be a unique one. So you can edit whatever you want here. So you can upload the local images here, and you can give the member name. So if you want to make it as an organizational flowchart, so you can use this option to make use of this organizational flowchart. So next important thing is that so mind maps. So just to click on the mind map. So here you can see this is how the basics of a mind map will look like. So here in all the options you will be having an AI assistant which help you to analyze that particular topic. So but you have to have a credits, so you have to go for upgrade option. So if you want to use AI powered that is flowchart, so you must go for upgrade option. So other than this you can access all the templates, and you can download all the templates, and you will be given a try that is free trial for 7 days. So these are the important options available. So next one is the presentation. So just to click on presentation. So here you can see that so these are the different types of templates and cases present in this presentation. So here you can see healthcare and clinic services, modern digital marketing, wastewater treatment, real estate marketing, teaching slides. For example, if you want to use this teaching slides, so just click on the option called use. So and then you can just click new board. So automatically the slides will be generated here. So you can zoom in and you can edit whatever you want. So this is the zoom. So here you can see that. So this is how it look like. So the contents, and you can see the introduction. So you can edit these slides also. So you can use to edit flowcharts, mind maps, and also the presentation slides. There are different unique things are also available in this particular board mix. So here you will be having an option called templates. So in this templates you can find all the templates related with this topic, that is research and analysis, diagramming, meeting and workshop, strategy and planning, brainstorming, agile workflow, icebreaker and game, education. So here you can see that SWOT analysis also, concept map, brain writing, so organizational charts, bubble map, team meeting. So all the different and unique templates are available in this board mix. So you can go on and explore this board mix. So if you are struggling to make any pictures in your flowchart, so you can use this kind of AI tool to generate a better outline. Or else if you can't able to subscribe for this board mix also, surely you will get an idea how to draw a flowchart by using this templates. So this templates will give you an aware how to draw a better pictures in your research paper and unique pictures in your research paper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you and get an aware about how to use this board mix and what are the different templates available in this board mix. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.